Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and welcome to our channel. Today we have a build from Altair and Fanhome. This is the Robocop Pack 9. So today we are doing issues 31, 32, 33 and 34, and we will continue, I believe, our leg. These packaging are difficult to open. They are from France, and that's why you see it looks not the same as the English version. So I'm just going to show you one magazine and then we will continue what we need to do. So that's what we need to do. These are our parts. So let's get on with it. So let's get on with issue 31, and we have this part. Let's see, maybe perhaps this view. So we have our nut that will go into this side. Then we have this part that will need to hold the nut. It will go just here, so just like that. And we have two SP screws. They are quite small, so let's try and get one of these first in, then the other one should be a bit easier. So that's both of them in, as you can see. So we need to get our next part, which is this, and we need the spring and this part, and I think this is plastic. Oops. So this just drops in just like that, and with this part we need to, this way round, and this will go just like that. So now we need this metal part, which will go with the teeth against this part, just like this. You need to kind of press it against it, and it does push on. And then the part we just made, this will go just to connect both of them up. Let's try and get this in as tight as possible. So just get this lined up, and it should be just like that. We need, where are we, 2 EP screws, and that is these two, so this one and this one. So let's put the top one first, and then we will put the bottom. So make that quite tight. One more at the bottom. Just here. So that's now both of them in. And now on the opposite side, just here, this will need to go through and screw against the nut we just did, and that should hold this metal part quite sturdy. We want that quite tight, so you could see it just went through, and we're nearly there. I want to make this quite tight, but be careful not to overdo it. I think we're good like that. can't really do any more than that. And you need to be able to just move it, but it is quite difficult, but we did it. And that is the end of this issue. So let's move on to our next one. This is issue 32. Just gonna open that up as fast as possible and take a look at the magazine, see what we need to do. And we're just inserting, I believe, the sleeve and a few parts, so that should be quite good. So let's get going with that. First off, we need these two parts, and we need to put the sleeve. You can see this cut out, and in this direction, just slide that over. But it needs to slide down quite a bit so you can access these two holes. Now with this one, you could see it has the two parts that we need to put onto this side. It's a little bit fiddly because you have to kind of, but it does open up a bit, and it kind of goes on. Where are we? Because it will fit into the groove as well. Not sure if that's gone into its correct position. A little bit fiddly because you can't really see, but I think that's, yep, I can see it is in. And we need 2 BP screws. So hopefully, let's try while it's in its position just to put the screw in first, which it did. So that's the first one. And this is the next one on the opposite side. So that's both of them now screwed in. So we need one more part. I'm just going to get that. So I need to find this part. So you can see this lip. I believe it fits just between. Let's try and get that like that. And we need to screw this. I think there's the location with 2 EP screws. And let's hope that it is there. Let me just make, yep, it has made contact. So that's one. This is the other one. Oh, my sleeve just slided up. There's one more screw just here that we need to put on our screwdriver. It keeps on falling off. I need to get a better screwdriver. One more just here. Make sure that's nice and tight. There we go. Now we need to get over our leg. So this is our leg from our previous part, and we need to just slide the sleeve up now so we could get to 2 locations. So this lip needs to just slide on in this direction. Is it? I think so, yes. So that's the back of the leg. Like that. And let's just move this here. And slide this in. Perfect. Okay, yep. And we need to get some screws now in. So that's 2 EM screws. And the location is, I believe, 1 here and 1 there. So the top one here, just here. Make sure that's quite tight. 1 more screw just beneath. Excellent. So that's both of them now screwed in, and it's coming along. So that is the end of this issue. So we get in there. So let's move on to our next one. This is issue 33. And let's just open this up. I have so many ideas for this Robocop and hope I can do what's in my mind. There's a few things, but we will get to that when we get to that stage. So you can see we have to work again on our leg. So we need to put it like that. Okay. Excellent. Okay, I got it. So that's the magazine. And this is our parts in 33. So let's open that up and get it fitted. First thing, we need to get this part. And I guess we could do this. And get this part and bring it to this position. And the part that we receive in this issue just goes on to it like this. And we need 2 BM screws. So let's just get these 2 in its place. I did put a bit of oil on there. So this is the first one, and then I will put the next one in. So that's both of them now screwed in. So we need to turn this over and get this in place. Let's try. Goodness me. Okay, I think we okay. This needs to slide on just like that, and make sure that this is not going to be damaged. I think we're okay. Let's try and push this slightly back. There we go. So it needs to be pushed in. And this top one's giving me a bit of a hard time. There we go. Perfect. So now what we need to do is turn this over. We need to put 2 screws here and here. And those are EM. So first one goes here. And this is the next one, which is nice and tight. Perfect. So now we need this part. You can see it shows an R, and it just goes in these 2 pins into these 2 holes. And that is now in place, and that's the end of this issue. So it's looking really good. Everything is as it should, and there we go. So let's get on with the next issue. This is our final issue in this pack. So let's just open it up. So pretty simple pack to put together. And this is issue 34. So it's just a few covers we need to put in, a couple of screws, and that is it. So this is the parts in 34. Where are we? Here. So let's get these fitted. We have our leg back, so we have to be a little bit careful. And this part, and let's see, I guess we could do this. This needs to go in this position, just like that. We need a couple of screws, and those are AM screws. So let's get this in place. So there's one at the bottom here, and two at the top, just here and the next one. So that's now screwed in. So what we need to do, oops, get this part, and in this direction with the two pins, we'll go here and here, just like that, and line up the pin. Perhaps the top one's better than the bottom one. Let's try, there we go. And push that in. Perfect. So one more part, which is in this plastic bag. Let's just take it out. And you can see the way it goes. Slightly, you can see a lip there. So in this direction, well, it won't plug in. I might have to put glue or something, I don't know. But you can see that is the end of this issue. I'm going to try see why that won't push in. There's no reason for that not to. But there's no middle part to attach, so maybe that's why. So I might have to put a bit of glue on that. But trying again. No, definitely needs glue. So I really hope you enjoyed that, and if you could hit that notification button, that would be great. Look forward to seeing you all next time, and that's goodbye for now.